Hey guys, it's me again, Prakash. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to see how to connect on-premises network to Azure by using site-to-site connection. Basically, how are you going to connect your on-premises environment to the Azure environment, and how are we going to do is using VPN. What is VPN? Virtual private network is something like encrypted tunnels, which, for example, this is one VPN, another one VPN, internet. This is encrypted. So basically, using the VPN with the encrypted tunnels, we are going to connect. Uh, Once you create a virtual private network, you can deploy VPN gateway. Gateway is nothing but the door to communicate between both of these virtual private networks. Remember that you can only create one virtual private network gateway. When you create a virtual private network gateway, there are two ways available. One is policy based, another one is route based. So there are two types of virtual private network gateway you can create: policy based or route based. What is policy based? It's nothing but static IPs are statically configured. So for each connection, the IPs are configured in the policies, and it has to be encrypted and decrypted. And when it will be useful is when you are connecting your legacy on premises to Azure. So basically, when you are connecting your legacy on-premises network to the Azure, and route-based and policy-based also, it supports IPKE1 and route-based is nothing but defining if you feel defining IPs behind the networks is cumbersome, you want to have automatic control of IP address, then you'll go for route based, and it supports IPKE2, and it will be used for multi-site connections and point to site connections. So basically, both of them are going to use IKE. I'm sorry, this is IKE version 1. So what is IKE? Internet key encryption, and it uses the protocol IP security, internet protocol security basically, and both relies on a shared key. We'll all see that in a moment. How are we going to both relies on a shared key for each connection, actually, for each communication. For example, when you define virtual network, you communicate through a shared encrypted shared key, and here also. So I have defined about VPN gateway. There are three types of VPN gateway. One is one site to site, to point to site, 3 network to network. What is site to site? That means this is your on-premises to Azure network, or two virtual private networks connecting each other. And another one is point to site. Point to site is they're connecting each individual devices. Basically, your machine to Azure. And network to network is nothing but two Azure networks connect another one Azure. So basically, there are three types of virtual private gateways. So site to site, point to site, and network to network. I have explained how it is going to work. So now we are going to see how to make a site to site connection. Basically, what we are going to do is we are going to create Azure and on-premise environment connection. Basically, this is what we are going to do. So in order to create a virtual private network, there are couple of things you need to remember. In order to make this site to site connection, basically what you need is, one is virtual private network, two is public IP, three is local network gateway, four is virtual network gateway, another one is gateway subnet, and the sixth one is connections. So basically, in order to create site to site connections, basically you need to create a virtual private network to mask the IPs. Then you need a public facing IP. Then you need to create a virtual network gateway, and a virtual local network gateway and virtual network gateway, and you create a connection so that the local network and virtual network talks to each other, and their gateway subnet. So logically, how it is going to look is basically connections. This is your local LNG local network gateway, Azure V1, and on top of it, it is going to have basically all this under resource group, and down below that we have a virtual network VPN, and then we are going to have subnet, and inside that you are going to have VPN gateway, and then you are going to have a public IP. Similarly, here what are we going to have is in Azure we are going to have services, and similarly in the on-premises you have a resource group RG, and then we'll be having a VPN, and then you'll be having a gateway subnet, and then local network gateway. This is on premises, and then connections, and then we'll be having a public IP. And inside that we'll be having a VPN gateway. So how are they going to inside that we'll be having our applications. So how are they going to connect to each other is this public IP is going to get configured to this local network, this one, and this public IP is going to be configured to. So basically you will have two public IPs. So this is how it's gonna talk securely using a shared key. So why do we need to go for this kind of site-to-site connection? Basically, we need environments. For example, if you are a healthcare provider, you want to securely pass some patient health data to the doctor and get the data back from the doctor, then we need to go for this kind of site-to-site connections actually. So we'll see how we can create all those stuffs. Let me show some magic here. So first, as I shown in the picture, we need to create two virtual networks. I have created a Azure VNet and another on-premises network. Okay, and then after creating the virtual network, you need to create a subnet, that is a gateway subnet. If you look at this, you'll see two subnets. One is the services, I have created services subnet, as well as the gateway subnet, the actual gateway subnet. And in the on-premises environment also, I have created application subnet and the gateway subnet. And then we need to create virtual network gateways. For both the environments, I have created for Azure one and for the on-premises virtual private network gateway I have created. And as well as I have created a local network gateways. If you look at this, this is Azure local. This one I have created, and this is on-premises one I have created. Once I create a public IP address, I have created two public IP address, one for Azure, one for this one. Then we need to configure. Sorry. If you look at this, this is Azure's public IP. If you look at this, 40 something is there, right? So local network gateways for the on-premises, the IP address is 4070 something like that. So basically they communicate through public IP with a shared key, and open a command bash shell. We'll check whether they are connected or not. Basically I'm gonna check whether Azure is connected to on-premises environment. Hey, there you go. Yeah, resource group I have to change. Hey, we got it. This is the Azure virtual network, and this is the on-premises network. It says the connection status is connected. So basically, this is how we connect the site to site using Azure to on-premises. The key terms you need to understand is VPN and how to create a virtual private network, public IP address, virtual private network, local gateway, and gateway subnet, and so these are all the key terms you need to remember. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Azure related videos. Thank you.